Hi, everybody. This is Julia with EasyDigz, and I'm here to show you our client portal. This client portal is an excellent resource for both you and your clients to create transparency and cooperation in the home buying or selling process. This is also an excellent way for your clients to be up to date on what is going on with their home while you are out of contact for any reason. So I'm going to go here to listings. We'll check this one. Here you see the timeline, so your seller can see where they are. They are now under contract. You can see relevant information, property details, financial details, documents, really important. Anytime a document is signed, it goes right here so your seller can access that document. Also, important timelines and notifications on the property. Like I said, wonderful way for your clients to stay in touch with the process even when they can't get a hold of you for whatever reason. Also, on this dashboard, I'll point out are their saved searches, their favorites, toolkits that are relevant to what type of home buyer they are, and linked accounts. Whomever they might be working with, a spouse, a lawyer, what have you, in the home buying process. All right. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you have a wonderful day.